AI will kill designer jobs. No. AI will kill designer's job who doesn't know how to or don't know how to use AI. We'll show you one example today. We'll use one AI tool named Relume, which is a part of a Figma plugin. You can use that to create automated sitemaps and auto-created wireframes against it. We'll show that in this video. Stay tuned. Learn AI, learn design, and how to integrate both so that your life is much more easier while you're designing products. Stay tuned. So today I will show you Relume. Relume is one of the very interesting things where you can interact with an AI and generate a wireframe of a website and also a sitemap. We'll see that how in this video. See. Once you come to this browser, you log in, you're doing the basic stuff. You have this generate sitemap option on the right hand side. What you do is a device, for example, relation of what you are trying to build or a story. Just put it, you imagine number of pages, for example, I'll go for number 7. I've already mentioned what I want. And it's, for example, a washing machine service providing company with AI and ML capabilities. So that they are building a mobile application to the best washing services. I click on generate and see the magic happens. So what you see is the AI is already generating me a sitemap, the primary sitemap where you can see a nav bar, hero header section, the feature section. It is reloading me, and it has also automatically provided me the 7 pages which I already mentioned while generating: about us page, services page, blog page, pricing, testimonials, contact us. In services, sub pages, services, and blog posts. But still, it has not been generated. So what it does, once you click on generate, it gives me a home structure of the website where it should be having some of the sitemaps where you can see a feature section, a feature list section, the benefits section, CTA section, the newsletter section. I'm happy with it. If I'm not happy, just click on rerun and start. Now there is a continue generating pages. Once you click on it, it will start generate the next set of pages for you. It automatically gives you a sitemap of it things, how it can be done. So you can see the about us page, we nav bar, about section, team section, services, portfolio item body, everything will be generated for you. What after generation, what I'll show you is like, if you don't like some of the thumbs which has been given back then, for example, I don't like the header section introduced the about us page. I don't want that. What I do is I just quickly write header section, header subsection, for example, subsection, right? With the brief description of washing vision, no mission, I'm only vision. So I can create a sitemap around it. And if I want that to come afterwards, I simply drag and drop before the footer section. What depends upon the hierarchy. I liked it. There are certain options you can duplicate it. So it creates another duplicate section of it. You can do that also. You can see, you can delete this page. If you don't like it, you can add multiple pages or ask AI to, for example, generate a new page. Right, so you can click on the name page. I will prefer a contact us page is also there. My services is also there. My services for business. If I want to have my section for the, if you want to change the description, the footer. So this is a B2B section. So I can, multiply, max, mix and match. If I'm happy with this, I rearrange my stuff where it could be, I want the pricing page to be at the last, it can be at the last. So generally, this helps you to create the structure of the sitemap. Now then, what the magic happens, there is 2 options on the top, sitemap and wireframe. Once you click on wireframe, it will start generating a website wireframe into this. As this is a free version, the rest of the pages are not, but you can see how it is making me a wireframe page and how smartly it arranges the sections in the sitemap, what I mentioned. I don't like, for example, now what happens, I see and I come, fine, I can use this for my project, but I can mix and match over here itself. I want this section to be on the top, I can move it on the top. I want this section to be over here, then I can move it over here, so you can customize it. Now this takes away all the pain away from us, so that manually writing, thinking, so it creates a template for us to rethink about the product and how we can best utilize it to ideate about a website. This is only right now, it's website based, but what the fun part is, you can share this as a link with your fellow colleagues or something. I can copy the link, and the best part is you can export this to Figma or a Webflow. Once you export this with Figma, Once you export this to Figma, this will transfer the whole thing into Figma, and there are certain steps you can do in Figma with the library what Relume is providing. Once you click on install plugin, you have to install the plugin into the Figma. I've already installed that. You just open Figma and it automatically loads into it. Start playing with Relume, understand how a sitemap is made, use AI to make your life easier, and understand that how AI is changing our designer's life and how it is making our job much more easier to think faster about new things and challenges which are occurring in our places. This, I think, is just the beginning of it. There are certain AI stars going around in the design, world, which helps us to make use of it, and certain are really scary, but trust me, once you are there on the field and once you are interested in designing certain products which you are passionate about and it should be the part of your daily process life, AI will help you. It will not take away your job. Try using Relume, install it on your Figma, understand how sitemaps work, and understand that how it can be transferred and how the processes are made much more easier with AI. See you in the next video. Until then, please like it if you like it. If you don't like it, please do mention in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.